Hello students, so we have finished one chapter, that is electricity, and other chapter, that is chemical reactions and equations. So I am going to start the third chapter, that is again I am going to physics only. So I am going to start the chapter called magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. See, this is very much important chapter. You already know. Okay, you already finished now electricity in physics. Okay, and believe me, including these two chapters, electricity and magnetic effect of electric current, you will be getting 16 to 17 marks. Okay, so be perfect with both the chapters. Yes. So first we will know what is electric current. You already know that the flow of charges in a particular direction, or the rate of flow of charges, we can call it as electric current. So I is equal to Q by T. So in electricity chapter, what we have discussed, we have seen that lot of effects of electric current. Such of one is heating effect of electric current. Whenever in a purely resistive circuit, so electric current or electrons or charges flow through the conductor produces the heat around it. This process what it can be called as heating effect of electric current. So that one we discussed. So this is very much important chapter. So please be perfect with this chapter. And here no numericals will come in this chapter. In electricity there were numericals. Here only theory concepts, but very important. But little bit, if you don't, I think these are easy, but if you don't understand, please watch the videos again and again, you will come to understand. Okay, this is magnetic effect of electric current. See, the magnetic effect of electric current is what it is, how it will be. Okay, just I will explain. First you should understand electric current. Electric current is the rate of flow of charges, is called electric current. So what is magnetic effect? See, in heating effect what it has happened, electric current is producing heat. Same thing, electric current, if it is producing magnetic field, that can be the magnetic effect of electric current. So it is the combination of magnetic field and electric field. Changing electric field produces magnetic field, changing magnetic field produces electric field. But here in this case, the electric current is changing, or electric current is producing magnetic field. You know magnet, Kanta Kshetrant karitu now, Kanta Kshetra. Magnet you already know, Sujigallu. Okay, that is magnet. So around it, if any iron materials comes, it attracts. That is the magnetic field. So what is magnet? First I will tell you what is magnet. What is magnet then? We should understand what is magnet. A substance, it is a substance that attracts, what it attracts? Small iron pieces. It attracts small iron pieces and when it is suspended freely from its middle point, it will be in the north and south direction. Just a minute, the laptop is switching off. Just a minute, I will check. Okay, so point C, a substance that attracts small iron pieces or small pieces of iron and points in what? North-south direction. It should point in north-south direction when suspended freely. In air. So this is magnet. A substance that attracts small pieces of iron and points in north-south direction when suspended freely in air. So that is when suspended freely in air other than that is in air or is called magnet. So what is magnet? A substance that attracts small pieces of iron and points in north-south direction when suspended freely is called magnet. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it should point in north and south direction. So where are north and south? So in your home, how you are sitting, I don't know. So for me here it is the east, so this side west. So my opposite is north, my behind is south. So it should always be in this direction, like this, north and south. When it is suspended freely from a string, ಒಂದು ದಾರದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೂಜಿಗಳನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೌತ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ನಿಲ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಿಲ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ಫೇಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕಡೆ ನಿಲ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಫೇಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಕಡೆ ನಿಲ್ತದೆ. ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಸೌತ್ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದು ಸೌತ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, so first you understand, and it very very important thing, it attracts small pieces of iron. It attracts the pieces of iron. It attracts iron. That is important. A substance that attracts small pieces of iron and points in north-south direction when suspended freely is called magnet. So that is called magnet. So then a scientist came. What is his name? His name is Oersted. He is the scientist. He did one experiment and find the relationship between electricity and magnetism. He find the relationship between electricity and magnetism. So in your book they have given. So they have given this figure. So you can see the book. So I can see what's the page number. 223. So magnetic effect of electric current. First you can see this. Please see the diagram. This diagram you have to look. See here there is one needle. Needle is present here. Yes, check out that needle. Yes, that needle is what? The deflection in the needle is nothing but some force is acting on that. Okay. See, we see that the needle is deflected. So what happens? I will draw the diagram. I think better note down this. This definition is important. Oersted did the one experiment. So I am going to draw that diagram. Yes. Okay, it is K, key is there, and this is Y point, this is X point. Okay, so there is resistor and ammeter. Resistor, and here it is ammeter. You know what does ammeter do? Okay, and a battery is there and key is there. Okay. Yes, plus minus. So battery is there, ammeter is there. Here what is there? O is the point. O, and what we can say is the needle here. This is the needle. So ABCD is a coil. See what happens? The current will be flowing. So plus in the minus, since the current will be flowing in this which direction? So they have given plus minus. That means the current will be flowing in this direction. Is not it? Nodri, current yavaglu plus indrana hogbeku. Plus terminal, positive terminal. The current should flow from positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the battery. ಇಲ್ಲಿ positive ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ negative ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು current. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಳಿಸಿರಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಳಿಸಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. There is no connection. Okay, the plus positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery, the current will flow. The current will flow, not electrons. Electrons will flow in reverse direction, but current will flow from positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. So that direction we have to show like this. I will be flowing like this. So when it comes here, the needle, it is the needle. Say this is like in this direction now. So when the current comes here, it deflects, it becomes to this direction. Okay? The needle will come to this direction. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ನೋಡಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಿತ್ರ ತೆಗಿದ್ನ ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ತದ ನೀಡಲ್. ಓಕೆ? ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತದ ನೀಡಲ್, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅದು ಇದನ್ನ ಇರ್ತದ ಹಿಂಗ. ನೀಡಲ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಹಿಂಗ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದದ್ದು ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ತದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ನೀಡಲ್ ತಾಂತಂಗ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು 9th ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಸ್ತು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಿರಲಿ ಮೋಷನ್ ಒಳಗಿರಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಮತ್ತೆ ತಾಂತನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ನೀಡಲ್ ತಾಂತನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ, ಡಸ್ಟರ್ ಅದ. ಈ ಡಸ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಂಗಿಟ್ನಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇದು. Only when I apply some force on that, I can lift that. How I can lift that? Because I applied a muscular force on that. Similarly, this direction in the needle suddenly shift ಆಗಿ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು? How it happened? Because there is some force. Some force acts on that needle. That force is called magnetic force. See, the current is flowing through the conductor, and the flowing current that produces the magnetic field around it. Due to that magnetic field, the compass needle deflects. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ತದ, ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋದು, ಹಿಂಗಿದು ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋದು. So that is called deflection. Okay? The compass needle deflects. If it deflects in the sense there is some force, that force is magnetic force. So what is the point? What we understand from this activity? The understanding of the activity is the current flowing through a conductor or electric current flowing through a conductor produces magnetic field around the conductor. You should remember this. In heating effect also one definition was like that. What is heating effect of electric current? So similarly, the definition of magnetic effect of electric current, the electric current flowing through a conductor produces magnetic field around the conductor or magnetic field around it. This is called as the magnetic effect of electric current. So from the textbook, if we see some points, so what they have given, it means that the electric current through the copper wire has produced a magnetic effect, that is magnetic field around it. Thus we can say that electricity and magnetism are linked to each other. Then what about the reverse probability of an electric effect of moving magnets? In this chapter we will study magnetic fields and such electromagnetic effects. We shall also study about electromagnets and electric motors which involve the magnetic effect of and with electric generators which involve. So what we will study in this chapter, they have given electric generators, motors, electromagnets, reverse effect, that now the electric current has flowed, so produces magnetic force. Whether the change in magnetic force produces the electric current, that also we have to see. Okay, that we will see in this chapter. So there they have given Hans Christian Ørsted, name of a scientist. So he is from 1777 to 1851. Okay, he is the scientist. So this is the copper wire. So what you just learn in this class is what is magnetic effect of electric current and what are magnets. Only two things you have to learn better. See, always I start first class very clearly. I don't tell too much of things. I'll tell only basics in the first class, because understanding of first class is very much important. If you do not understand first class, then there is no use in watching other classes. Okay, so here what is important thing is the scientist who studied this, Hans Christian Ørsted, What are magnets? The substance which attracts small pieces of iron and points in north-south direction when freely suspended is called magnet. Okay, there are types of magnets. Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, we can say. ಸೂಜಿಗಳು ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಸೂಜಿಗಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮೀಟರ್ ಅದ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಇವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ದಾಗ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗ್ಯಾವು. ಅಮ್ಮೀಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. Resistance, what it does, it opposes the flow of current. So then here it comes the deflection of what? Needle irtade, compass needle. So ಅದೇನು ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಓರ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಓರ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್? He is one of the leading scientists of the 19th century, played a crucial role in understanding electromagnetism. He played very much crucial role in understanding electromagnetism. In 1820, he accidentally discovered that a compass needle got deflected when an electric current passed through a metallic wire placed nearby. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1820 ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ನೀಡಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆದಾಗ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ನೀಡಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಓರ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಶೋಡ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಸಮ್ ಇವ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಿನಾಮಿನಾ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಬೋತ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್. ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. His research later created technologies such as radio, television and fiber optics. See, his research later created what? Technologies such as the radio. Radioದಂತ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿತು. ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಬಂತು, ಫೈಬರ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ better technology. You will learn it in engineering. If you go to engineering, there is one subject in electronics and communication. So since I am from the background of engineering, ನಾನು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ, ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಂದ್ರನ ಅದು. ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ದ ಓರ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಆನರ್. ಎಸ್, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ದ ಓರ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಓರ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ? ಇನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನರ್, ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಆನರಿಗೆ. ಈ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ಗೆ ಅವನ ಆನರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತನ್ನು ಓರ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಟ್ಟರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. We don't discuss too much in this class. Of course, we can discuss magnetic field and field line also, but this is your first class. You might not have, many of you have may not attended. So, in this class, you just remember what is magnetic field, and scientist Hans Christian Ørsted, what he did in an I2, and this experiment. This experiment they will ask many times. So you have to just know. Hang ಏನೇನಾಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು, ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೊದಲ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಮೊದಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮೊದಲು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ, ಕಂಪಾಸದ ನೀಡಲ್ ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್, ದ ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ನೀಡಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಶೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ there is no deflection in the compass needle, but when the current starts flowing there is a deflection in the compass needle. This indicates that the current flowing through a metallic conductor or a conductor produces the magnetic effect or produces the magnetic field around it. This process is called as magnetic effect of electric current. ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಈಜಿ ಅದ, ಭಾಳ ಚಂದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇದು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಚಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಅದ್ರ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಾಧ್ಯದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮೀ ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. So please watch all the videos and keep the sending homework regularly. If I found anybody is not sending, means you will face consequences or regarding that. Okay. So for that reason I am telling, consequence in the sense marks are there. So for maintaining the proper fair book and homework there are marks. So please maintain that. So send the homework regularly to my WhatsApp number and do the work regularly and watch all the videos. Thank you. We'll see in the next class. So this is very much important chapter. Don't miss any video class. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.